Welcome to my tiny forest workshop. I build luxury homes and transport for insects. Recycling metal for our project. Building a luxury home for a snail. First, I'll need the perfect blueprint. Polishing the shell until shiny. Adding solar petals for power. There we go, all charged up. Snail house can now jump. Perfect for insect adventures. Magic moss lights the path. There, a perfect glow for my friends. Fixing wings of beecopter. Almost done. Welding metal wings with sparks. Almost done, buddy. Time to fly. Storing sweet honey in glass. There, all ready for you. Building elevator for busy ants. This pulley will carry them up. Almost done. Just a little more tightening. Strong acorn helmets for protection. Connecting water for the forest. Building bridge with spider silk. Almost done, there we go. Perfect for crossing.
Time to get building. First, the saddle. All aboard the caterpillar train. Welcome to the B-Tech workshop. Cracking nuts with giant gears. Ready for my next invention?
New home for Firefly Glow. Wow, it's glowing. They'll love this cozy light. Forest Wi-Fi is now online. There, all connected. Welcome to my B-Tech workshop. This is my mechanical pollen collector, and over there is the smart snail shell.
Goodbye from the green workshop. Time to fly to new adventures.